by Walter Pitts, win world championships. 2 wings, 2 control surfaces, making 4 control surfaces, making it faster. Very impressive. Gulfstream G2A. Just hanging up there. When it came to flying fighters like the CF-18, he just didn't fly them, he excelled in them. Earning top honors in both courses that flew the CF-18, the 416 Tactical Fighter Squadron, 3 years. In '96, selected as a team member for Canada's crazy long lenses. Get it tight on the cockpit, and you're going to see a big grin. You're going to get a hand up in the air waving, no doubt, as he's on the edge of falling and not flying anymore. He's putting it right on the limits. The angle of attack, the speed, it's pushing, it's going as slow as he dares. And he's got to get an hand up in the air and he's waving as well. He's got his hands full with his... Making it look so easy. Ross Granley from the legendary Granley family and his Yak 18T. Outstanding!
You'd be like, oh, yeah.
Smoke vertically, horizontally, right side up, upside. Where flying was in their blood. Mike's father was an astronaut, a Canadian astronaut. Recently lost his dad. And of course, continues to fly and fits his top. And to turn things over to helicopter flying with Grace at the controls. Backing that helicopter up now, and that is not easy. Pirouetting too, she's busy on all the controls while she's doing it. Backing up, be very careful with helicopter flying as you transition to flight, not to settle with power. In other words, get caught in the downwash of those rotating wings. That's how helicopters work. Those wings are rotating, that's how it gets lift. Helicopter pilots really need another hand in arm, because in her hand she has the throttle, the collective, and of course the control stick. Oh, and it looks so nice in the sky today. Look at that red against the blue and the clouds for the effect. She quickly checks.
Doing
campus of impressive Lucasville Flight Training Center. Flight centers in Ventura and San Diego County. Representative Vicki Benson. This is a big, heavy airplane. It's a biplane, though, and it was used to train and she is absolutely that big Pratt & Whitney engine gives her lots of center and left. And now very happy with the airplane's performance. He's about to dial it up. Checking things out. Yeah, the wind's aloft. It is 10X. And of course, this is talented 3, so that his desire to fly a real airplane from RC. Graduating from Skyview School in Smithfield, Utah, earning his pilot's license. And then, of course, building it up at the age of 25. Over in, staying using the fuselage to lift to this point. The airplane continues to fly on its as these airplanes are forming up in a dedication pass. This is spectacular. This is historic Carlos from Alberta. Yellow London. They go up and up and up in the first loop. Beautiful! Up again they go. And at the very top of the loop, we're at Shed Center Stage. Maintaining that separation all the way around. Now, and here they go in what they call Rabbit's Nightmare. In the corkscrew. Very complicated flying now as both of the wingmen roll around and around the inverted pilot's brain. All the way down the show line. And you, the triple Hamilton, beautifully done and coordinated. Northern Star. Setting up now for the big combo. Victory formation arrow, followed by the big formation loop is the stage. Power attack. Lead pilot red-handing those precise rollouts. As he adjusts, the wingman listening attentively. There's the smoke on the right. Outstanding. The team is next going to approach center stage for their pitch out to the landing.